Pretty wild, really cool clamp here that I just got for the first time. It's a Bessemer and it's adjustable. It self-adjusts to any height. Well, not any height, but a lot of heights. And you can further adjust it with this bolt here, but it basically finds the spot it needs to be in to be tight. I don't know how that works. Pretty wild engineering. Really, really cool. But great for sharpening in a spot like this. Put this here. Take a sharpening stone like this. This is a whetstone for a scythe, a very fine one, fine grit. It's better if it's soaked, but it still works if it's not. I don't have water here in the winter in the shop because it'll freeze. So I'm just tuning up a bill hook. This is a great pruning, heavy pruning tool and hedge laying tool for dealing with like shrubbery, mostly shrubs or branch wood. It's basically a small axe, but it's a little more nimble than an axe. A little bit of rust on here. Okay, pretty nice and sharp. Your shop isn't heated most of the time, which many shops are not. Rust is a big problem in this climate. So a nice little coat of oil, silicone, helps a lot. Tools like this should last for a couple generations, depending on how much you use them. Now, there's a little bit of a burr on that, actually. Not a big deal for what this tool does, but I'll probably knock that off real quick. Gone. Ready to go. late winter pruning. We don't really knock much off the trees until the heavy cold is past, like the real intense cold of the midwinter. This one didn't get a heck of a lot of use this summer. It's actually much more of a single bevel tool than this one is. Yeah, this is a double bevel completely. And this basically doesn't have much of a bevel on this side. And this is where the bevel is. If I get that a little sharper right here. That's nice. All right. Ready. Yeah. Oh, I should do this one. Kind of rusty. On a different day, I'd try to clean up all that rust. But I'm not going to do that right now. Got this in Sardinia. And they sell stuff like this at hardware stores. It was 19 euros. Made in Italy. They still make this stuff locally. For 19 bucks or so when I was there, I think. They had stainless steel kitchenware, all sorts of cool stuff, like in regular old hardware stores.